Welcome to another video, Impressive Builders family. So today I'm gonna do some carpentry work. I'm gonna build up a couple rooms and bathroom, people. So stay tuned. Don't move a muscle. Watch this video. Ensure to like, subscribe, and comment, people. Alright. So I know this channel is informative, a lot of informative videos. So it's fair for you just to comment, people. There are a lot of people watching the videos and not subscribing to the channel, so please subscribe to the channel, peeps. Alright.
I knew.
Yes guys, so this is what is happening. I'm inside the bathroom here. So the bathroom shut up now, peeps. So look a passage right here, so 3 feet passage. So guys, as you can see a couple short pieces of ply. They are cut to give the 2.5 inch nail some space, people. I don't want the full 2.5 inch down in the concrete. Right, so I just cut the ply to space it out. I was using some 2 inch, but the 2 inch are finished actually. Use up 2 boxes of 2 inch already, people. I buy 3 for 2.5 and I don't use much of them because the walls are tough, the blocks are very tough, people. So thumbs up to Marja Block for making some good blocks. And if you want to know where Marja blocks are, people, check out them block here. Shudley Christian of Manchester. Blocks are straight and they are very tough, people, so check out them block here. Marja block, Christian of Manchester. Very good blocks, peeps. You can see the block work, very neat. Very, very neat. And the blocks are tough, as I said, peeps, so I had to be using the 2 inch nails. You can see one box there, so already, people. And I want to tell you, peeps, the way the blocks are tough, even the 2 inch are bending. So I don't use much of the 2.5 inch. So I have the 2.5 inch leaf. So I'm just using some of them now. So there is a box in. So as you can see, that's why it's like that, peeps. The spacing between the farm and that little piece of ply. Don't want the full 2.5 inch down here because it is too long and then the walls are tough. So look at improvising going right there, so peeps. Alright. Yeah, peeps, so this is one of the bedroom. As you can see, have that little piece right there, so do. And that is a closet, people. So right there, so 1.5 block. It's actually 2 feet. Leave out right there, so for the closet. So I have that little piece to just box up. I'm gonna put a 2x6 in right on the face of the block right there, so I'm gonna drop a piece of short form right there, so I'm block up that. Yeah, guys. This is the other bedroom. The window actually box up already, inside and outside. Next closet right here, so peeps. That one lock up already. So you're getting a tour of the surrounding and also the farm work or board work if you wanna choose in between. This is a 16 by 14 room. Very nice size room. You can say this is a master bedroom for this house. Nice to be a window. Yeah, peeps, so this is the outside. Have that next section around here to do. And just half of the house is doing right now, people, so the next half not going to touch it. So whether you're considering if you want to do your whole of your house or not, nothing is wrong with doing even one room and a bathroom, peeps. Nothing wrong with that. You work according to your budget or what you can manage. Some people I say wonder if it's going to leak or going to tear apart. As you can see, these steels are left out to continue the rest of the building when it goes up. So you have to build and consider, put into plan what comes next, peeps. You're not going to build and just consider the next part of the house. You build and consider the next part of the house. So you leave out the steel to reinforce the next section of building when it comes up. This section already yet, people, so just doing half of this building. Yeah guys, so this is the outside bay window.